Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Alonzo, this is video for you, and here is your unit here. It's pretty much finished, and I'm just gonna show you the operation, and it's ready to be mailed back to you. Your control module is here on my desk as well. So as you can see, this is your e-gas module, and I just put down shuts down when hot. So this is what's happening with it, and obviously you can tell it's a salvage yard unit because you got some markings. This camera, what's going on with it? It's not focusing right. So anyway, we'll try. You see the markings, obviously. You see some red paint. That's not factory. Factory never does that. See this little red paint on bolts. So anyway, you know what's going on with your module. The throttle body works great after I changed that little potentiometer piece. Let's see the temperature if we can. So the temperature on the unit, as you can see, it hits like around 80, and we have the cold unit here. It's at 60, mid 60s, and yours hits low 80s, which is fine because I actually had it on the bench. I had to take it off the bench to realign the plate and finish it all off. So I just wanted to show you the exact complete finished product. The wires that were cut for inspection, you know, I just put some tape over, so we have it like that. Now your control, your throttle body is connected to different control module that allows me to show you full operation, 90-degree angle. For example, this throttle body here, this is activated with original proper control module, and if you go all the way, as you can see, wide open throttle, it is not opening all the way. So I test all my units for full operation, so therefore you will see that yours open all the way. That's because it's connected to different computer, and normal operation it will open just as much as I just showed you, but when you accelerate, wide open throttle will still happen, but you never see it because, you know, you're going fast, you're flooring the engine. So that's that. So basically I just have the same setup. Just like yours, somebody sent me e-gas module and throttle body to be tested. This one was rebuilt, but it's a terrible job. And this is their e-gas module. As you can see, part number is a little different, 0832. Yours is 0732, but again, superseded numbers doesn't make a difference. But that's what I'm doing exactly. I'm doing exactly the same thing as I did with yours. If I were to leave your module with your throttle body connected overnight, in the morning it would have been shut down because something is going on inside your control module. I opened it up, checked it out, didn't see anything. So just get another one, call it a day. Because as you can see, this is another set of throttle, set of parts, these two, so they're connected together, as you can see. So yours is connected to other set of modules. Okay, so operation now. Throttle linkage was too stiff, so now it's very, very light. I did line it all up, adjusted, readjusted, whatever I had to do I did. And as you can see, it opens extremely light, which is very good. Return spring spins, very good. Throttle body was actually quite clean, and I didn't have any issues. You know, I didn't want to go and submerge it into chemicals because somebody tried to clean it before. You can see some scratch marks and whatever. So this unit is okay, except for that very part that I replaced in it, that little slider. And let's take a look at our live readings here. So we have proper operation. Now idle, all the way at idle, 0.47, right in between, in the center line of the range, from 0.4 to 0.6 with 0.47. So this is great. 4.26, that is also always about the same exact number with this particular module I'm testing this unit with. So that's good. That's what I like. And micro switches operation, once we open the throttle, the micro switches will flip over. They flip over, so micro switches work. I actually had recently a throttle body with that problem. Micro switches, one of them was stuck. So yours work. And we open throttle more, and we also see our readings follow. So operation wise, it is operational. And again, coil seemed to be just fine because it's been on the bench for quite a long time. I know I had it for a while, but I had to test it because your situation, the issue, the fault, it was very, very bizarre because both units had issues. And as you can see, before I send you that video about cold operation, well, this is warm now, so we can't really see it, but I did check it out, and when it was cold, and it does not jump anymore. The unit is very, very linear, very fluid operation, very precise, not like before when you would see the plate jumping around. So throttle is definitely fine. That's a keeper. You want to keep it. Internal wear is very low, coil is not overheated, potentiometer not overheated. So this is, well, obviously replacement unit, wires are good, so I think they replaced it, but it didn't have much miles put onto it because they definitely had issue with e-gas module after throttle replacement. So at this point they probably just parked the car like we discussed on the phone because nobody could figure this out. But now you know it, so it's ready to go. And like we discussed, I'll mail you this unit back so you have two of them. Well, once you buy replacement. Throttle obviously you'll install, but this unit you keep it as a backup just in case. So there we have it. That's quick operation, like sudden acceleration, activates pretty fast, so this is pretty good. Everything lubricated, the gears and shafts and all that. And oh yeah, some thread lock and some little bit of riveting back on original rivets. So one of them is half preserved, the other one is preserved almost to 100%. So that's good, because when you removed it, I usually don't remove it that way. So, but anyway, there is still also thread lock on those bolts, just in case, so they don't get loose. Plate realigned, properly aligned, nothing is grinding. So it's basically ready to go. Just wanted to show you this before I mail it out, and off we go. All right, so this is it, and any questions you can give me a call. So this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.